Come and take us out for a drink at the Crown Hotel at Middlesmore. I'll tell you all about it.
Thanks to all you $1 guys, I really do appreciate your support, and that really just opens the door. If you upgrade to the $5 tier, you can come inside and join me online, and I can answer any questions you have. Actually, it's probably less than buying me a pint a month. So if you don't want everyone to see your questions or read my answers, you can upgrade to the $25 tier and come into the snug, and it's a private session. Dear John, thanks for getting in touch with me about your sack. If you'd rather chat to me in person, one-to-one, upgrade to the $40 tier, and then we can chat when it's convenient to you. Motorcycles, talk to me. Overtaking, talk to me. Corner entry, talk to me. A personal coaching day with me costs over $500, so if you're not able to commit or ready for that coaching, maybe the $25 or $40 tier will work out better to be able to pick my brains. Rewards start from $5, so you can get the first round in.
$5, thank you. Thank you very much. Undoubtedly see you next month, Spike. Thank you.
Cheers.
All the very best.
Cheers.